hiccups are gone.
Peppa's cure for hiccups doesn't seem to have worked.
George, you have done it all wrong.
Hey!